This video is for anyone thinking about buying their kids the Mendini by Cecilio Kids Drum Set, but you're wondering, are you crazy to bring this into your home? Or if you're going to be gifting this, well, the parents never want to talk to you again. So my number one question as a mom was, is this drum set going to drive me crazy with the noise? And let's be real, it's a drum set. It's loud. Gifted this drum set from a friend, and I'm really glad we accepted, and here's why. While it does get loud, it's not as bad as I imagined, and drumming helps kids develop coordination, rhythm, and can even boost cognitive development. Plus, it's a fantastic way to encourage creativity and self-expression. I love that this set introduces a love of music at such a young age. And now let's talk about the quality. So I mentioned we were gifted this after their child grew out of it, and their child went to a bigger set. Well, it's been played with for years, and this still looks practically new. I love how this 5-piece set is basically like a professional drum kit, but made for kids. So are you crazy to buy this for your kids? Absolutely not. It is a fantastic way to introduce them to music, foster their creativity, and who knows, maybe even kickstart a lifelong passion for drumming.